Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how you can send data from Matomo into Microsoft Power BI in order to have, let's say, the exact same data as you have within the Matomo user interface. And the idea here is to use the MySQL database connector and not to use the Matomo API. So in order to get started, of course, you need to know the credential of your database. Then you need to click over here on get data. Then you can select within the list over here the MySQL connector. Once you get the MySQL connector, your computer's Microsoft Windows gonna ask you to install special components within Microsoft Windows. That's kind of a straightforward thing. Then you need to restart Power BI, and then you can enter the credential of your database. When you do so, okay, I wish it work. Okay, great. So you do this, then you go for MySQL. Then you get this one, so you click on this one, you click on connect. So here, as I said, you'll get an error message telling you that you don't have the right components, and once you get the right component, what you do is that you enter over here your server location, your database. So then your credential will be already filled in. Then over here, what you can do is SQL statement is to add the SQL query you already have in mind. In my case, I'm using ChatGPT in order to generate it. So this is how I do it. So I just copy it. Then you can go over here and you can paste it here. Then you enter your location, your database. In my case, I already have those, so I don't know if I can simply copy and paste them. So hold on, just gonna copy it and paste it. Okay, so server is this and database. Pay super attention because our server is over secured. You will need to get your IP address as whitelisted. So in order to do so, you need to go on the web, find out what is your IP address, and then you need to enter it on your server database in order to say, hey, this IP address has the right to make some request to the database. Then you can click on OK. Then it's going to perform the request. In my case, it already did it. Then after you can load the data. In my case, I did it already, so I'm not gonna make it again. And over here, so you get the statistics that you ask for. So to say, in my case, the number of visits per day. And as you can see, it's gonna give you exactly the graph. So for example, over here, on the 21st of December, I got 5 visits. And then you can go back over here in order to compare. So we said it was 5 visits on the 21st. For some dates, you may have a difference of 1 visit, which will probably be postponed the day after. That's because probably the hour on your server, Matomo, may be different than the one of Power BI, I guess. So that where the difference may lies into, but that should just be 1 visit moving to another day. And that's it for the video of today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.